Hi guys, today I received this in the mail. This is a FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro gimbal. This is the box. So this cost me just under $300. I'll leave a link below. Yeah, let's open it up. Open it up. So if you've watched my last video, I had quite a bit of trouble with the gimbal that I'm currently using, which is a DJI gimbal, and I'll talk more about that later on. The thing is, the problem is, like, most of the mechanical or motorized gimbals are for smartphones. They're not for like cameras, action cams, digital cams, or SLR cameras. So that's why, after doing a lot of research, I decided to purchase FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro based on a lot of reviews and feedback. Okay, let's open it up. So just to let you know, there are two different versions. I've got the basic kit, and there's also a Mini 3 Pro. I think it's called Mini 3 Pro Kit. So it's got a few extras that cost about $100 more. So this one's just the basic one, which I thought will do everything that I need to. Okay, nicely packaged box. Manual instructions. Okay, that's good. FeiyuTech. Do not power on the gimbal until balancing. Yeah, you have to balance it. You have to balance it. So it's got some instructions there, QR codes and all that. Features. Okay. Okay. So this is the machine. That aside for now. Yeah. First things first. I really want to grab a hold of this. Oh, it feels really good in the hand. It feels really, really good. Look, you can definitely feel the weight. Like, compared to the DJI gimbal that I was using, which is, I think, maybe 100 or 150 grams, this one's almost a kilo or maybe more. Yeah, you feel the weight on it. But the quality wise, I have to say it's really good. So these top parts are like all like machined aluminium. This is like a grippy, what is it, like a plastic, but it's a grippy type plastic handhold area. And so this part here, this actually comes off. It's like a separate joystick. So you can actually control this remotely. I'll probably do a few videos demonstrating that. So it goes like that. So the reason why why I wanted to purchase this is, so when I do close-up shots, I want to be able to do like starting from the ground and then moving up. So for example, if I want to like showcase a motorbike or a car, I want to be able to just walk the camera. So you can hold it. This is a normal way of holding it. And this is like a zoom in, zoom out. And this, if you like, this is to tilt it, so you can do like ground level shots. Yeah, I have to say, it's a very good piece of equipment. It just feels quality from the get go. Anyway, let's see what else we have in the box. What's this? There's an Allen key. There's this, I'm not sure, it's like a plastic attachment. Allen key and a screw nut. Okay. I'll drop one. Oh, this one's for action cams. It's an action cam mount. Okay, USB-C to iPhone Lightning connector. That will come in handy, I guess. And just a hand screw for the action cam. What else we got? Okay, another USB-C to USB-C cable. So the one before was a USB-C to Lightning for iPhones, and another USB Type-C to USB 3 or USB, the old version connector cable. What else? There's one more thing. Oh, okay, this part here just like a bracket. So this bracket is for, from what I've seen, that's if you want to block off. See, this is exposed, so in case like you don't want to use it with the joystick, so this just goes in there and just blocks it off nicely, nice and neat. Looks good actually. I'll take it off because I want the joystick. I want to be able to use it with the joystick. Oh, hang on. I want to wreck it the first day. Oh, you have to press this button on the side. So you have to press the button and then push it in, and that's it. So that's that. What else we've got? There's another box. Looks like a tripod. Okay, so this is like a stand, tripod stand that gets screwed. I'll show you. So that's if you wanted to. I think there's a way to extend this, but yeah, this is just to give you like, maybe if you want like extra grip, or if you want to set it like somewhere, like standing like that, you know. Yeah. So that's that. What else is there? There's a few. Yeah, look, I have to say the packaging is like really nice. Very well thought out. Okay, this is another box. Maybe attachment. Yeah, looks like a locking attachment. I have to find out what this is. Put it back in there for now. Okay. Yeah, look, I have to say the machine finishes, aluminium finishing on this, on the parts, are excellent. It just feels good in your hand. It's like there's no sharp bits sticking out. It's, yeah, very, very nice. It's good quality. Yeah. So there's that part. Put that in there. What else is there? Okay. Oh, so this is for the smartphones. Now see if I can open it. So why I like this? Another reason why I wanted to grab this or buy this brand was because of this. So this is a smartphone holder, and it has a built-in cooling fan, and I think there's a cable that comes from, I'm just looking at it. Yeah, there's a cable there. How do you get the cable out? It's like stuck in there. Does that pull out, or hang on? How do you get the cable out from there? I don't have any. Let me see if I can pull it out. Imagine how upset I would be if I wreck it the first day. No, it doesn't come out. Why does it come out? Is it stuck in there? I have to find out how that comes out. It's all the way in there. Anyway, that's that. That's another some sort of bracket, and that's it. That's all we got. But I have to say, if it just feels really good in the hand. I think it's like nicely balanced. So there's a way that's unlock, and then there's another one. So it has three axes, and then was it that one? Unlock, yeah, unlock. Okay, unlock, and then Yeah, I have to. I have to just go through the manual, make sure I do the right thing. But it has a lot of advanced features. Like it has a battery indicator here. Oh, this is like next level. So this dial here, this can be used for zoom in and zoom out, and it can also be used for tilt. Yeah, that's all. And the most fascinating thing is this. See this blue part? So this is the AI. It's called the AI tracker. So it tracks movements up to, I think it was 18 meters. Yeah. So this is just a short video just to demonstrate like what comes in the box, and I'll be doing lots more videos now since I've got this, because I've been, yeah, I've got a few events lined up, like car shows, motorbike shows, and all that. So I'm gonna be hopefully trying to do more professional quality videos. Yeah, that's all. See you in the next one.